Anna and the Magic Notebook. Anna was a cheerful girl who lived in a small village surrounded by green hills and colorful flowers. She loved to spend her days drawing and dreaming. Anna had big, curious eyes and always carried her notebook wherever she went. This was not just any notebook. It was her special place for drawing. She would sketch animals, trees, rivers, and even her dreams. But Anna didn't know her life was about to change in the most magical way. The notebook in the attic one summer morning, while helping her mother clean the attic, Anna found something strange. It was an old, dusty notebook. The notebook had golden edges, and on the cover, the words, Magic Notebook, were written in shiny letters. "What's this?" Anna wondered aloud. Her mother laughed. "It's probably just an old notebook, dear. Why don't you keep it?" Anna nodded and took the notebook to her room. She opened it and was surprised to find all the pages completely blank. "What makes this notebook magic?" she asked herself. That evening, Anna decided to draw in the notebook. She sketched a small flower with her red crayon. Suddenly, the flower started glowing. Before her eyes, it popped out of the page. It was alive with soft petals and a lovely fragrance. Anna gasped, "This is unbelievable! This notebook really is magic!" A new friend excited, Anna decided to draw something else. She drew a bird, a tiny robin with bright red feathers. The bird chirped and flew out of the notebook. It sat on Anna's shoulder, singing a sweet melody. "I'll call you Ruby," Anna said, laughing. Ruby became Anna's companion. Wherever Anna went, Ruby flew close by, keeping her company. Using the magic. The next day, Anna decided to test the notebook's powers outside. She went to the garden and drew a tree. The tree grew tall and strong, with golden apples hanging from its branches. The apples were sweet and juicy, and everyone who ate them felt happy and energetic. Anna shared the apples with her family and friends. "This is amazing," said her little brother Tom, who loved the apples so much that he ate 3 in one go. Anna smiled. She felt like she had a secret power, but she didn't tell anyone where the apples came from. The village needs help. One afternoon, Anna heard the villagers talking about a problem. The river near the village had dried up. Without water, the crops were dying, and the animals were thirsty. Everyone was worried. Anna had an idea. She took her magic notebook and drew a clear, flowing river. Within moments, water appeared in the dry riverbed. The river flowed again, sparkling under the sunlight. The villagers cheered. "Anna, you've saved us!" Anna smiled but didn't tell them about her magic notebook. She wanted the magic to remain a secret. Learning a lesson. As Anna used the notebook, she realized it was not always easy to control magic. One evening, she drew a playful puppy because she always wanted a pet. The puppy jumped out of the notebook and wagged its tail excitedly. Anna named him Max. Max was cute, but he was also very naughty. He ran around the house, knocking over flower pots and chewing on Tom's shoes. "Max, stop!" Anna shouted, but Max didn't listen. Anna quickly drew a big red ball to distract Max. The puppy ran after the ball and finally calmed down. "I need to think carefully before I draw anything," Anna said to herself. Tom's adventure. One day, Tom discovered Anna's secret. He saw her drawing in the notebook and watched as her drawing of a rainbow came to life in the sky. "Wow, this is magic," Tom said, his eyes wide. Anna sighed. "You have to keep this a secret, Tom," Tom promised, but he couldn't resist asking for something. "Can you draw a dragon?" Anna shook her head. "No, that's too dangerous." Instead, she drew a hot air balloon, and together they floated over the village. They saw the hills, the fields, and even the ocean far away. It was the best day of their lives, helping more people. As time passed, Anna used the notebook to help more people. She drew food for the hungry, warm blankets for the cold, and toys for the children. The villagers started calling her the little artist of miracles. One rainy day, Anna saw a little boy crying because his kite was broken. She quickly drew a new kite in her notebook. It came to life, flying high in the sky. "Thank you, Anna," the boy said, smiling through his tears. Anna felt happy knowing she could make a difference. A strange warning. One night, Anna had a strange dream. In the dream, an old man with a long beard appeared. He said, Anna, your notebook is powerful, but you must use it wisely. Never draw something harmful or greedy. Magic works best when it comes from kindness. When Anna woke up, she remembered the dream and promised to follow the old man's advice.